wash house, we prepped Katie with the Tea Tree Lavender Mint Shampoo and Conditioner. First started by just going through and loosely blow drying the hair. The key is making sure that the air is going down the hair shaft, but that you're also using the hand that is holding the hair and kind of encouraging some root lift. From there, we went in and we started to work with the diffuser once the hair got to about 50% or so dry, because we now wanted to start to encourage wave from the bottom up into her shape. With the diffuser, the one thing to really keep in mind is that it's all about how you place that hair into it so that it can actually start to adhere to that shape. So when we go to the base, we're going to use more of a medium to cool setting just to try and move that water out of the hair. This isn't really a speed race. This is about making sure that the dryer can sit on the hair for as long as possible. It needs to be shaken well before use. You want to make sure that you do light mists and you start to open the hair up so the product will really fill inside and not just sit on the surface. Lastly, we moved in with our styling wand and we just went on the surface of her hair to try and encourage a little bit more wave around the face that kind of mimics or would look similar to what her natural is with a touch more polish. The key to kind of round this out is to then go back in and applying a light mist over everything that's been styled so that we see the space that comes from that bit of oil, but then we see the texture and feel the texture from what lives inside of that sea salt additive.